In the vast expanse of the sky, humanity's quest for flight has been a relentless pursuit, driven by innovation and ambition. From the Wright brothers' historic first flight to modern marvels soaring through the clouds, airplanes have been at the forefront of pushing the boundaries of what is possible in aviation. Top of the list is Boeing X-37. The Boeing X-37, also known as the Orbital Test Vehicle, is a reusable robotic spacecraft. It is boosted into space by a launch vehicle, then re-enters Earth's atmosphere and lands as a spaceplane. The X-37 is operated by the Department of the Air Force Rapid Capabilities Office, in collaboration with United States Space Force, for orbital spaceflight missions intended to demonstrate reusable space technologies. It is a 120% scaled derivative of the earlier Boeing X-40. The X-37 began as a NASA project in 1999. An X-37 first flew during a drop test in 2006. Its first orbital mission was launched in April 2010 on an Atlas V rocket and returned to Earth in December 2010. The X-37 launches atop an Atlas V 501 or a SpaceX Falcon 9 or Falcon Heavy rocket. The spaceplane is designed to operate in a speed range of up to Mach 25 on its re-entry. The X-37's avionics suite was used by Boeing to develop its CST-100 crewed spacecraft. The X-37 for NASA was to be powered by one Aerojet R-23 engine using storable propellants, providing thrust of 600 pounds-force. The human-rated AR-23 engine had been used on the dual-power NF-104A astronaut training vehicle and was given a new flight certification for use on the X-37 with JP-8 propellants, and electric power is provided by gallium arsenide solar cells with lithium-ion batteries. Coming up next is Bell X-1. The Bell X-1 is a rocket engine-powered aircraft, designated originally as the XS-1. And was a Joint National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics U.S. Army Air Forces U.S. Air Force Supersonic research project built by Bell Aircraft. Conceived during 1944 and designed and built in 1945, it achieved a speed of nearly 1,000 miles per hour in 1948. A derivative of this same design, the Bell X-1A, having greater fuel capacity and hence longer rocket burning time, exceeded 600 miles per hour in 1954 thanks to the reaction motor's XLR-11RM 3-4-chamber liquid-fueled rocket engine. The X-1 aircraft #46062, nicknamed Glamorous Glennies and flown by Chuck Yeager, was the first piloted airplane to exceed the speed of sound in level flight and was the first of the X-planes, a series of American experimental rocket planes designed for testing new technologies. The fuel and oxygen tanks for the first two X-1 engines were pressurized with nitrogen, reducing flight time by about 90 seconds and increasing landing weight by 2,000 pounds, but the rest used gas-driven turbopumps, increasing the chamber pressure and thrust while making the engine lighter. Next on the list is Hermes. Hermes was a proposed spaceplane designed by the French Centre National d'études spatiales in 1975 and later by the European Space Agency. It was superficially similar to the American Boeing X-20D Soar and the larger Space Shuttle. Unlike the Space Shuttle, Hermes could not carry heavy cargoes, as that role was to be performed by the uncrewed Ariane 5. Hermes was envisioned to transport a maximum of 3 astronauts along with a 3,000 kg pressurized payload. That's all for today. See you in another video.